Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to contact Gmail support in the USA. If you're facing login issues, account recovery problems, or need help with Google services, this full guide for 2026 will show you the best ways to reach official support quickly. First, open your browser and go to the Gmail Help Center. This is Google's official support page for Gmail issues. Type your problem in the search bar like password recovery or account hacked. Gmail Help Center provides step-by-step articles for common problems. For some issues, you can start a chat with a Gmail support specialist. Click Contact Us, choose Chat or Email, and follow the instructions. In the USA, Gmail doesn't offer direct phone support for free accounts, but G Suite or Google Workspace users can call official support numbers. Check your Google Workspace dashboard for the support number. You can also try official Gmail Twitter accounts for updates or help. Sometimes Google responds faster via social media if your issue is urgent. If your account is hacked or you notice suspicious activity, use Google's security page to report it immediately. This is the safest way to protect your account. When contacting Gmail support, keep your account info ready, like recovery email, last login, and any verification codes. This speeds up the process and makes the support experience smoother. That's how to contact Gmail support in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.